Are you unable to manage your weight due to hectic schedule and unhealthy lifestyle? If so, then there's a fabulous weight management product from Indusviva, I ISLIM Flat Tummies. Unlike other protein-based slimming bars available in the market, I ISLIM Flat Tummies is rich with patented herbal concoction for effective weight loss. This bar is presented to you in 4 mouth-watering flavors of mango, orange, vanilla and chocolate. I ISLIM is composed of patent smart ingredients which includes Coleus forscoli, known for reducing weight, Salacia, which reduces impaired sugars, and Sesame indicum, which effectively reduces cholesterol. It is also composed of multivitamins, multiminerals, dry fruits and nuts, natural fibers, protein which helps in controlling overweight and obesity. In addition to this, I ISLIM Flat Tummies is 100% natural. There are no side effects, therefore safe to be consumed across all age groups. For effective results, I ISLIM Flat Tummies bar must be consumed between 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. after an optional light dinner at 6 p.m. Drinking approx 3.5 liters of water every day is highly recommended along with appropriate diet and exercise. I ISLIM Flat Tummies is a wonderful product for effective weight management. Now it's your turn to start having I ISLIM. Will you?